So let us see how to solve this question. Right. So from the top of a 25-meter high cliff, so this is a cliff and this is 25-meter high, the angle of depression. So from this top, the angle of depression. So first of all, you should have your normal, line of sight. So this is the normal line of sight from the top of the cliff. And the angle of depression for the point A, this is the point A. So for the point A, the angle of depression is 20 degree as it is shown in the diagram. And for the point B, it is 30 degree. So the angle of depression for point B is 30 degree. And this jet traveled from A to B in 5 seconds. Right. We have to find the distance AB. How much distance between A and B? So for that, let us name the various points. This is A, this is B. We can assume this is as point C. We can assume this is as point D. Right? So now if you see very carefully, you have two right angle triangles. In this diagram, we have two right angle triangles. Can anyone tell me the name of those right triangles? Anyone? Yes, Princess, you tell me the first one. Any right triangle?
Uh, DBC.
Correct. The triangle DBC. Yes, Abdullah. The next one, the next right triangle, and which is possible in this diagram. Quick.
D DB
What? DB what?
was
Sorry?
Faisal, what
Other.
is it?
Okay, Princess, can you try the other right triangle?
DAC.
Yes, that's the triangle
Oh,
DAC. They are the two right triangles. Okay, very good. Now I'm interested in finding these angles, this angle and this angle. Right? Suppose I'm saying this is the angle one and this is the angle two. Abdullah, can you try to find this angle one? What should be the angle one? Can you tell me what should be angle one? Princess, can you tell me what should be angle two? Can you try? Can you think?
20.
Your angle two should be 20. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Abdullah, what should be the angle one? Yes, Abdullah.
30.
Any logic? Now, Abdullah, you have to tell me the logic now. Yeah. Can you tell me what's the logic for 30 degree? You think
Because
you have just copied the princess approach? Have you any explanation why it should be 30 degree?
uh,
Please tell.
well, I did not explain it.
So how you have tell me this 30 degree? Just copy the princess approach, right? See, this is 30, so that should be 30. You are so smart, right? I know, but I'm also smart. I need explanation. Okay, princess, can you tell me how you have tell me that angle two should be 20 degree? Have you any logic? I know you have the logic. Just tell me the name.
Yeah. The alternate angles.
Yes, that's the alternate angles, or you can say alternate interior angles. Abdullah, are you getting it now?
Yeah.
See, this is the line of sight. This is a line and this line. These two are parallel or not? Please see, these two are parallel or not? So this angle is equals to this angle due to alternate interior angles. Similarly, this one will be equals to this one due to alternate interior angles. Yes, Abdullah. Any doubt till here?
Mm.
So this is 20 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay. So now in these two triangles, in the triangle DBC and DAC, please see AB is the C and this was your D. Can you apply your trigonometry? See, we are interested along this BC, AB like this. So if in triangle DBC, please see D, B, and C, we are interested in these distance, right? And this is given as 25. So can we apply the tan 30 in the triangle DBC? Yes, Abdullah, you have to tell me the expression for tan 30 in the triangle DBC. Which side upon which side? Please try for the triangle DBC. You have to apply the tan rule here. What should be the tan
Yeah,
theta?
25 over is BC.
Correct. Princess, you have to apply tan 20 in the triangle DAC. What it should be?
Um, was it? Oh, yeah.
In this triangle DAC, you have to apply the
Oh,
tan
yeah, yeah,
20.
yeah. 25 over BC. No, AC, sorry.
AC, correct. So, Abdullah, can you find BC from your equation? So BC should be what? 25 upon tan
Oh,
30,
yeah.
right? Princess, can you find your AC? AC should be equals to 25 upon tan 20. Please calculate your
43.3.
you want to say for BC.
Yeah, 43.3.
43.3.
Yeah.
Okay. 43.3. Let me write 43.3. Yes, Princess, what should be AC?
I got 69.44.
69.44. Okay. So now this is AC, and Princess is saying this is 69.4, and this is BC, and Abdullah is saying BC is 43.3. So can we find the AB now? Yes, Abdullah.
Yeah.
Now you have to tell me how we can find AB. Have you any logic?
69.4 minus 43.3.
Correct. 69.4 minus 43.4. Please find it. What it should be?
26.
So
26.
26, right? So this is 26. What should be the unit? It should be the meter. Everything is a meter. So this is now this has been done in 5 seconds. From A to B, this movement happens in 5 seconds. So we have to find the average speed in kilometer per hour. Let us first find speed in given units. Then we will change the unit accordingly. So yes, Princess, can you tell me how we can find the speed now? You have this distance AB. You have the time of this traveling. So how we can find the speed?
Distance over time.
Correct. So distance is 26 meters and time is 5 seconds. So this is, you can write your answer as 26 upon 5 meter per second. But Abdullah, is it your final answer? It should be your final answer? Is it your final answer, Abdullah? Yes, Abdullah, is it your final answer?
But no.
Okay. So we have to change the unit into kilometer per hour. Yes, Abdullah, can you try? Can you tell me? Can you discuss how we can change the unit from meter per second to kilometer per hour? Yes, how we can change?
We times 3.6.
Sorry,
We multiply it by 3.6.
any logic?
Wait, oh, no, no. Divided, I think.
I don't know. See, if you say the division, then again I will ask the logic. Have you just okay, Princess? Any logic? Any sorry? Any first of all, tell me your approach. How you will convert it into the kilometer per hour? Would you like to
Um,
do the same
First,
thing?
I would do the meter to kilometer.
Yeah, how we can do this?
26 divided by 100.
Super, excellent. Now, what next?
The
This
5 seconds, we have
mhm.
to divide it by 60 divided by 60.
Super, super. Very good, very nice. So you have converted this 26 meter into kilometer individually, and you have converted this 5 second into hour individually. Now you can simplify this very easily. So, this is the denominator of the denominator. This is the main division. Please see, this is your main division, and this is the denominator of the denominator. Right? So in the mathematics, there is a rule: the denominator of the denominator becomes numerator. Right? So this will go into the numerator. So you will write 26 into 60 into 60 upon this is the 5, and this 1000 will go in the denominator like this. So you can simplify this little bit. Okay. So whatever you will get, that will be your answer. 26 into 36 upon 50. Right? Abdullah is saying same thing, but it is telling just a remembering factor that you have to multiply by this, you have to multiply by this. But still, he's confused. That's why I will say that you should not remember this. You should have your fundamental approach how to convert from here to here. Are you getting my point, Abdullah? For your knowledge, I can give you. If you want, yes, please, you can see this one also. If you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you can do one thing directly. 26 upon 5 into you can multiply it by 18 upon 5 directly. If you multiply by 18 upon 5, This is the trick. Basically, how it gets this 60 into 60 upon 1000. If you simplify this factor, you will get 18 upon 5. Please see 60 into 60 upon 1000. So basically, 0, 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So you will get 18 upon 5. So it is just the simplification of the same thing which Princess told. So you may remember this directly if you have remembered it, then okay. Otherwise, if you are confusing, if you are not confident, so you can
Sir,
do yes.
I just realized, isn't it supposed to be 100 instead of 1000?
No, no, it should be 1000. Meter and kilometer, the factor is 1000. Correct.
You
One
changed from
kilo,
meter to kilometer.
yeah, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, not 100 meters.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah.
So, see, Princess Abdullah, what you have to remember, if you can remember that from kilometer, if from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18 upon 5. If you have to do the reverse thing, suppose you have to find from kilometer per hour to meter per second, suppose I'm giving you 18 kilometer per hour. Right? Can you convert it into the meter per second quickly? What should be in meter per second quickly? So you have to multiply this 18 with opposite of this 18 upon 5. Now you have to do 5 upon 18. So this will cancel out and it will be equivalent to 5 meter per second. Is it okay? So right now my answer should be this much. This 26 into 36 upon 50. Whatever you will get, that will be your answer. Anyone have any doubt? Please ask.
Oh,